Hi Stampers, welcome to Watch It Weekly Wednesday. I'm really excited to show you some stamp sets that are going, and you can find the list on stampinjill.com. I have so many favorites, but I narrowed it down to 4 because of our new catalog coming out. And if you notice, all of these stamp sets have sayings in them, so they're perfect all-around stamp sets. You've got this as one of the stamp sets, and if you notice, this big background stamp comes with it. And here are some samples of this stamp set. I just stamped it plain on that one, and this is watercolored, and this is just using some blends right there. And there are no framelits for this particular one. That was just fussy cut it out. So you've got, this is one of my favorite. Watercolor Wings. This is a great stamp set. There's 15 stamps in it, and it's photopolymer. So you can see through to be able to stamp the items right on top of each other. And it comes with framelits, these 2 little framelits. So you'll notice on some of these cards right here, the little accent is this gold butterfly. And this is done in 2-tone with the 2-step stamping. With this Watercolor Wings stamp set comes the framelit dies that coordinate with it. But I also like to use this one, and these are called butterfly thinlits. The cool thing about that, if you notice, there's this one that can also fit over the same butterflies. So you notice you're getting double the amount of butterflies. And look how just using that extra, this one right over here, on top of the butterfly. And this is just done twice in just 2 different mediums. But I love this stamp set. Butterflies are so popular, and I don't think they'll ever go out of style. So this is one of my favorites, 2 Watercolor Wings with the 2 different framelits. The next one is No Bones About It. This, I've probably stamped so many cards with this one. It's a set of 18, and this is also photopolymer. And there are no framelits with this one, but you can say that this is a really well-loved stamp set. It has the bones and the dinosaur, and we've done so many cute birthday cards with this. I'm only just showing you 4 cards in this video, but there are many cute ideas. And these also have sayings. I love about this stamp set is you have footprints, and you have like little dust, or you can use it like little dots actually on the dinosaur, but you have little background things that you can use. Doing the 2-tone is really popular with the bone set. Just an awesome stamp set. That's one of my favorite. And the next one, Rose Wonder. And this is amazing. Look at all these sayings. Okay, they look really small. They're not. I'll open this up so you can actually see how big they are. This particular stamp set has this one really big rose. And we use this especially for watercoloring and backgrounds and everything. But they have all these wonderful sayings. You're in my thoughts and prayers, so it goes for sympathy and birthdays and thank you, thinking of you. So this is just all around. Even if you don't even use the rose, you've got all these wonderful sayings. It also came with, or you can coordinate with, that actual framelits that come with it. There's the big one, that's the rose, a smaller one, a flower. We have the little label stamp right here with the framelit and some extra leaves. So you get double the amount of flowers because you got the 2 size roses and this small one and this other leaf too. So it's a great stamp set. And if you notice with this particular card was just cut out with just white cardstock, and then we went ahead and sponged it. So it's just masking that tart. But isn't that beautiful? And we used a little Wink Estella on there. I don't know if you can see it. This one's embossed in white and then watercolored. Just such a different look. Embossed in gold. So easy to watercolor when you emboss. And this one right here is just, we cut it out with our glitter glimmer paper too. So hope you will order these before they're gone, because once they're gone, they don't bring them back. Even though I'm really glad about our new catalog coming out and some of the new great images that you'll be seeing, these are some of the classic images and stamps and framelits that I love to use. So get them before they're gone. Hope you have a happy stamping day. See you next time.